Guys, my name is Man, and today another GTA 4 mission time. So you might know in our last video I done that hangout to drive mission, and after that my bodyguard was right there, and my car was also there. So I saw that my car was right there, parked there in front, and I took it, and then only that another BMW blowed up when I was coming. So then I recognized that my bodyguard was there. I forgot. Then I gone to take him, and when I came, I saw him here. When not that. Sorry. I saw him there. I told means I gone to take him. Then when I came like this, wait 2 minutes. When I came like this here, there were two people here, like these both FIB agents. I thought they will be my that bodyguards, and they have changed their dress because I didn't saw them there standing, and I thought that they were here, and they started shooting at us, and I saw my other people going right here killing the other terrorists. So I thought they ran and came here for security, not there because there was one right there. Then I thought like that, but when I just touched here this part, they started shooting. So I gone behind, and here was a car. I parked it behind that car, my car. Then I got out and started shooting them, and one of them just gave a headshot to him, and then I killed both of them like that. Then I just gone and repaired my car, and you might know this place where I parked my cars, and you might not see these bodyguards now. Means after this video, I don't know, but yeah, you will not see these bodyguards after this video because they will go back to their place. But you will see, I will buy another bodyguard like him only from the FIB agents forever. So like this only I buyed him also forever, but they told, but he died means, yeah. So what happened? Like that happened. So yeah, and you can see I have so much money in my bank. 1,048,000 and 48,000 means no 14,083,000 dollars in my bank account. So like that I can buy them. And in my last video I told that I didn't had any money. So because of that I couldn't keep them forever, but I had so much money, and I have to again go and repair my car because this car is so fast, and its engine is also in front. If it would have been at the back, it would have been so nice. If I would crash like this, that much damage had came, but the car wouldn't have been blown. So I will meet you there where I will do the mission, and I will repair the car also. So guys, I'm here, and let's do the mission, the clean gateway. I know this mission. It takes us to the the railway station. From there we go to a place in the train, and we have to steal a car there. So his hand gone through that person who was there. He told Nico Nieko, I think.
My nose bleeding. Oh. Come on. I'm working here.
See the taxi. And guys, that dialogue was in a movie, I think. I saw a video on that. But guys, did you see the taxi? How funny it was.
Say something. You're so fucking like that.
This car is Marbella. I know this car. This is like an old and this time's car.
No, listen.
Guys, I will skip this because it is very bore. My bodyguard is back. You see my bodyguard? Hey person. Who's this? Hello? Hello, who is this? Nothing is happening to him. I will use this. Wait. I'll bomb. Nothing happened to him, but the car gone flying. Where is the railway? Okay, it's here. Where is it? Where is it? I'm so confused. Hey, where is it? Where is it? I can't see it. Where is it? It used to be here, no? From where we can go? Hello? Where is the area to go up? I will find and go up there. Till then, yeah, I have to find it very much. Guys, I'm here. Buy so buy so hard. Where is the from here I found it. So it was so difficult to find. So let's stand, wait for the train to arrive. Yeah, I don't want this view. Okay, not this also. Oh, by mistakenly I hit him. Oh, he also has a. Yeah, stay there. Come. How train is this? How is this train? I don't know. It's so glitchy. I will just skip it. Skip. What the hell? How? I don't know. So let's go find and take the silver blister compact. Go down fast. I just could have jumped from there. But where is it? Yeah, there. I little bit remember this area. Where is this? Oh, here. Where is this area? This area looks a lot similar with the area where that highway starts. Where is it? Sorry. It's here. I have not exchanged any car with the Blista because I like this Blista. Okay, headshot. Why are you fighting with me if I have a gun? Ooh. I just got so scared. And guys, if you want, oh no, bye. And guys, if you want like a face cam, So tell me in the comments if you want face cam.
I have your new car flag.
Oh no.
It's not pretty though. Real dirty.
Above him.
I know you got this lightning dirty. Maybe you're using your little
And the police is also gone.
dirty car, but it's not the way over here. Fucking bandits don't do nothing right. Hey, I could fuck this car up worse than a little dirt. Relax, man.
See the Lamborghini.
Hey, there's a car wash over on Saratoga Avenue.
I know.
Over there, and then come on.
There only I have parked my cars.
The car up easy.
He was reluctant. He's dead now.
Blista Compact is also a little bit fast.
My money.
I have to take a full U-turn now since I took it but I hit that pole, but there's not that much dent here, just blood and a light is gone. If I just press the speed up button, then it will go like in this speed and go and just crash here, and I will go in the water, and there's no stairs like till there it is. So till that time it will despawn and the mission will also go. Yeah, it will end. Yeah, my cars are here with my bodyguards. Okay, skip it. Why the door is open? Ooh. And guys, I don't drive this Bugatti or La Ferrari because these are so expensive cars. So I will not drive those cars. And guys, afterwards, if I steal the Bugatti Chiron, if I find Bugatti Chiron and steal it, then I will remove my McLaren P1 and keep it where I keep my other cars. I will keep it there, and then I will keep my Bugatti Chiron where I keep my Bugatti Veyron, and I will keep my Bugatti Veyron little bit in front because I like Bugatti Chiron more than Bugatti Veyron because it is the fastest car in the world. So guys, I have done this mission, and if you have liked this video,